Yes, it must not be something very expensive or what have you. If you can have a very simple something that suits your body to be using once in a week. Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your favorite baby girl Mama? What's up? If today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are new to my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos like this and more. And if you are a lover of all these things I just mentioned, kindly join the family by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. Yes, excuse me guys. To my OG, God bless you guys so much. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you my own tips, my own way of simplifying your life. Yes, very easy and simple way without no stress. And number one in my list is have a very good skincare routine that makes you feel good. Yes, it's always very important. You don't have to break a bank to have a good skincare routine. Just look for something within your power that you can make as your skincare routine. Have a very good skincare routine that makes you feel good. It's always very important. Yes guys. And number two in my list that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is change your mindset. You have to learn how to change your mindset. If you want good things to come your way, think that positive way. Put your mind in a positive thinking. Put your mind in a positive way. If you really have to make your mind clean, you have to think, change your mindset. If you are that type that thinks so much negativity, you have to stop it and start thinking right. Start changing your mindset on good things, If you really want to live a good life, just make your mind free. Put your mind in a positive way. Always think positive. Stop negative thoughts. Change your mindset. And number three on the list is learn how to write your weekly activities. Yes, learn how to write it down. It's always very important. It helps you during the week. If you are the type that has a lot of plans or you have many activities in the week and you jot it down, you have it in your jotter or anywhere you write your weekly activity, it's always very important. Yes, it always make your day easy and smooth. If you know how to write your weekly activities, jot everything down. That is very important. And number four in my list is try to drink fresh juice at least once in a week. It's always very important. Yes, just look for any type of fruit that is your favorite. Just blend it, just blend it and make and drink it. Is always very healthy and very good for your body. If you are that type that drinks fruits once in a week, it helps. If you can be blending fresh fruit at least once in a week, just gather any fruit of your choice, blend it and drink it. It's very healthy and it's very good if you can make it as your routine. Yes guys, it's very good. In that way you have a lot of fruit in your body, you have a lot of fruit in your system. Just look for any fruit of your choice that suits you, that you love so much. Try to blend it at least once in a week. Is always very important. Yes. And number five tips I'm going to be sharing with you that is in my list is learn how to calculate your monthly cycles. Yes, a lot of women don't know how to calculate their monthly cycle and it's not good. So it's always very important that you learn how to calculate your monthly cycles Some women don't bother about their monthly cycles, and that is not good. So if you are a woman and you are not very calculative of your monthly cycle, you have to stop doing that and learn how to calculate your monthly cycles. Is always very important. Learn how to be calculating it. As a woman, you have to always have it at the back of your mind, in case if there is anything. In case if anything goes wrong, you can easily figure it out. Yes, guys, if anything goes wrong, you can easily figure it out. You have to learn how to calculate it. It's always very important to be calculative on your monthly cycles. Don't just leave it like, I don't care. No, you have to learn how to calculate it, and it's always very important. So that is it, guys. And number 6 tips I'm going to be sharing with you, or the number 5. I can't remember. Okay, guys, if you can stop living without debt, that will not be bad. Yes, a lot of people live a life of debt, and that is not healthy. That is not good. You have to learn how to live your life freely and, simple mind. You don't have to be owing debt. Learn how to live a life without debt. That is very, very important. If you are the type that always owe debt, that is not good. Learn how to live a life without debt. Free your mind from debt. Don't be owing debt. If you can, that is a very good way to live your life. So learn how to live a life without debt. That is always very important. If you can learn how to live a life without owing debt, you are good to go. And it's always very important. It makes your life easy and simple. Yes. So guys, I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly join the family by smashing that right sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. Yes, I normally upload videos on weekly basis, so feel free to join my family. Yes, if you love what I do, feel free to join my family. If you have any video suggestion, don't forget to drop it at the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Without wasting much of your time, I believe I have come to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.